We cover 7 area towns: Holden, Princeton, Paxton, Rutland, Sterling, Boylston, and West Boylston. When we started 30 years ago, we used to just be the Holden Chamber, and then it was the Holden Area Chamber, and again, as we kept growing, now it's the Wachusett Area Chamber, so that we can bring more towns in. And as part of that, when you join our smaller chamber, we're affiliated with the Worcester Regional Chamber, which, as you know, is huge. And they can do many things that we can't do in terms of advocacy and offering much larger programs and roundtables. So by joining us, you also become a member of theirs through our affiliation, which is an enormous member benefit. So it's a 2-for-1. You get our programs and their programs too, all under the same.
And the chamber is really like going to the gym. Like if you don't use it, you're not going to benefit from it. So a lot of people, and I know this from when I did membership sales, right? Like I've been on your side, so to speak.
Right,
and so I've had a lot of conversations with people who are stubborn and they don't want to join. It's like, look, this could double your business if you actually use it consistently, no matter how well established you already are. Because one good connection can lead to 75 clients in the next 2 or 3 years. And it's sad that so many people think like, oh, I don't have time to go to the business after hours. It's like, man, like you're missing out on so much potential that compounds over the years. Like it's farming, right? Like you're planting seeds, and I've gotten calls 5 years later who go, hey, you still doing Facebook? And I go, yeah, we do Facebook and a whole lot more now. And it's just like we built rapport one time at an event, and they remembered that I was like, kind of knew my stuff, good vibes, but they weren't ready to hit it off yet, and they reach out again later. So that's huge.
That's so important, though, the fact that it takes time, and studies show that when you join a chamber, if you don't engage within the first year, for that reason, you're going to say, well, what have you done for me? And you're not going to stay with us, most likely. But you have to go into it saying, I am building relationships, and this will take time, and absolutely you see results down the road.